Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how easy, yes, I always say that, how easy guys, because it's very easy to prepare these chicken thighs. So delicious guys. I know some of you people don't like frying. I know everybody has an air fryer. I don't own an air fryer, or I don't fry in the house. So this chicken is delicious. It almost seems like I baked it, but it's not baked. And it almost seems like I fried it, but it's not fried. It's delicious, guys. So come with me, guys, and let me show you how easy this is. So let's do this, guys. Here are your ingredients. We have some garlic powder. We have some oregano, and this oregano is going to give this chicken such a delicious flavor. We have onion powder. We have some lemon. You can do lemon or lime. It doesn't matter. We have some spice here, some cayenne pepper. Okay. And I have some chicken bouillon. Guys, this is so good. And of course, I'm going to be using Casero all-purpose seasoning. This right here, guys, is so good. So good. I have some apple cider vinegar. We got some oil. Whatever you fancy when it comes to oil. I'm going to use a measuring cup, but it's really not because I'm going to pretty much measure anything, but I'm going to need a little bowl, so I think it's easier to use this measuring cup. So I am going to actually do some apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to do probably a half a cup, guys. So yes, I'll be doing a little measurements here, guys. And so between the apple cider and the oil, we'll do actually about a cup. Okay, so half and half of both, because we're going to create a nice little marinade that's going to go perfectly with these chicken thighs. This is going to be so juicy and so delicious, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much add all the ingredients inside my measuring cup, and then we're just going to whisk this. And guys, I'm going to pour this all over the chicken. It's going to be so good. Little spice here, guys, just to give this chicken some sabor and some heat, guys. This is going to be really, really, really good. And this chicken bouillon is going to really give this seasoning such a nice taste. It's going to bring all those nice chicken flavor. It's going to be so good, guys. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my all-purpose seasoning, my Casero all-purpose seasoning. And just be generous, guys. As always, season to taste. Now we're going to go ahead and blend this all together nicely. We want to make sure there's no chunks whatsoever. I think this is about ready. It's going to need a little bit of salt. I'm not going to put more of the all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put some salt and taste, make sure it's perfect. So you probably want to do that, guys. Make sure you taste before you add this to your chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and do the lemon. I'm going to do some lemon juice. This is going to give this sauce a nice, tangy flavor. It's going to be so good in the chicken. I'm going to do the whole lemon. I don't know about you guys, but I love cooking with a lemon or lime. I think it gives chicken, meats, and fish such great flavor. And besides, I love the smell of lemon, guys. Don't know about you, especially when you says this. Listen, guys, I think this is perfect. This is the consistency you want. See how perfect this looks? I'm going to go ahead and taste it. If it doesn't need any salt, this is ready to go. So let's do this, guys. It is ready. I'm going to go ahead and make sure nothing is left untouched. The best part of this recipe, guys, is that you don't have to marinate this for too long, okay? This is why it's very important to season to taste. This is going to be so good, guys. So good. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, guys. We're going to make sure that we rub this season all over the chicken. This is what it should look like. Look how pretty. It's all covered completely. And remember, I'm not going to fry this, guys. We are, however, putting a little bit of oil on the pan, okay? And we are going to put the skin down because we want to kind of sear the chicken, okay? It's going to be good, guys. I keep telling you guys, this is going to be so good. You're gonna thank me later. This is looking so good. I think this is perfect. I have literally squeezed all this chicken in this pan, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of water. And then I am gonna cover the chicken and I'm gonna put this on a medium temperature, guys. I'm not sure what's your stove like, but make sure it's on a medium temperature. And it's gonna cook for 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes are up. Just gonna make sure the skin has a nice little color. Let's see. So pretty. This is perfect. And one thing I didn't mention earlier, guys. Yes, I am gonna be adding some red onions because the onions is gonna give it, yes, I'm gonna say it, such a great flavor, guys. So now it's gonna cook for a good 15 minutes. So we're gonna cover this and it's gonna go on a medium low temperature, guys. So guys, I have 5 minutes to go, but before I am gonna go ahead and take some of this chicken broth and put it all over the chicken. The last 5 minutes, go ahead and lower the temperature, guys, to a low temperature. You're gonna cover your chicken. Once the 5 minutes are up, guys, then you're gonna let the chicken rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, you're gonna see how juicy and delicious this chicken is gonna come out. Now guys, look how beautiful this looks. And guess what? Did you see how easy this was? It's easy, guys. Simple ingredients. Took about half an hour, guys. Hey, listen, it is worth it. Your family is gonna love it. I sure hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out. Cheers.